morning, children, and my dear parents. Welcome back to LKG mathematics class. So, how are you all, children? I hope you all are keeping well. Now, children, today we are going to revise a few topics that you have already learnt earlier. Now, our first topic is count in twos. As you all know, children, that in count in twos, we count two objects. Can you see two objects over here? Yes. Now, you can count any two objects you want. In count in twos, when you start counting, you start from 2. Can you tell me why? Yes, it is because we skip one number and the other number becomes our answer. So, when we count, we skip 1, we count 2. We skip 3 and we count 4. Likewise, you must have learnt it up to 50. So now here, children, you can see that our question is fill in the blanks by counting in twos. Now here you can see that I have not written the number 2 here. I have written 10. So what comes after 10, children? Will we write here 11? No, we'll count two numbers, that is 11 and 12. So, we skip one number and the next number, that is 12, becomes our answer over here. So, we write here 12. Now, what shall we write after 12, children? Again, we count two numbers, 13 and 14. So, 14 becomes our answer here. Now, next number here is 16, which is already given. So, what shall we write here after 16? Again, we'll count 17 and 18. So, we skip 70 and we write 18 here. Now, what comes after 18? 20. It is already given. After 20, again we skip one number, that is 21. And then we take 22 as our answer. Very good. Now, after 22, children, you see 24. After 24, again we skip 25 and we take 26 as our answer. Now after 26, 28 is already given. And now after 28, 30. We have skipped the number 29 and written 30 here. So now you see, children, whenever you get a question like this, fill in the blanks by counting in twos. It is not necessary that the question will always begin from 2. It can begin from any other number in between. You have to only remember that here we skip one number and the other number becomes our answer. So that is counting in twos. Now we shall revise count in fives. Children, as you have learnt earlier that count in 5 means we count 5 objects. And here we skip 4 numbers and take the 5th number as our answer. So as you see, our question here is count in 5s from 20 to 50. Now, can you see 5 stars over here, children? Yes, you can count these stars and write your answers here. So children, the number given here is 20 as asked in the question. Now you see, it's not 5 written over here. So, what shall we write after 20, children? As I told you that we have to skip 4 numbers after the given number. So, 21, 22, 23, 24 and the next number is 25. So, we shall write 25 here. Now, what shall we write after 25, children? 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We skip 4 numbers and write 30 over here. Very good. Now after 30, what shall we write, children? Come on, tell me. Yes, 35. Very good. After 35, 40. Good. Now after 40, what shall we write here, children? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. What shall we write? 44 or 45? Yes, 45. Very good. And after 45, what shall we write here? 50. As you see, that the question over here is count in fives from 20 to 50. So we have completed our answer. Now our next topic for revision is count in tens. Children, you must have learnt earlier that here we count 10 objects. Now you can see here there are 10 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you do counting in tens, you skip 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And the 10th number becomes your answer here. So children, likewise you can use any other objects for counting. Now here our question is count in tens from 10 to 100. Can you see 10 balls over here, children, I have drawn? Yes, these you can count and write your answer here. Now here our number given is 10. What shall we write here, children? Shall we write here 11? No, as here you have learned that we skip 9 numbers and the 10th number becomes your answer. So come, let us count after 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So 20 becomes your answer here. Now, what comes after 20? Come, let's count. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So our next number here is 30. Children, likewise, you will keep on counting by skipping 9 numbers. So after 30, our answer here will be 40. Yes. Now, after 40, children, 50. Very good. After 50, 60. Very good. After 60, 70. After 70, 80. After 80, 90. After 90, children? Yes, 100. Very good. I can see that you all are studying well. You know all the answers. Very good. So students, now you revise all these topics that we have done today. Parents, the worksheets related to these topics will be uploaded on our school website. Kindly check them and help your child to do the work accordingly. Thank you.